Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how you can get new users on Temu app. Let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video and follow me step by step. Okay guys, so you can see there's this icon of Temu app on my screen. I will click it. After clicking it, it brings me to this home page where I have to go to the U icon on the bottom middle of my screen. It takes me to this page where I have to select settings. Here I have to make sure that the country and region selected is US. I will scroll down and make sure that your United States option is selected too. Then you can go back and click on earn credits and free gifts. Here you have many options and it's your personal preference, whichever one you like to choose. I will choose Lucky Flip. I can invite new app users to flip by clicking on this invite new app users to flip button. Here I can copy my link or copy my code and send it to my friends and family and make sure that I have written something catchy with it, just like free discounts or free gifts that can catch them and bring them to this app. I hope you liked my video and this was an easy process. I hope it helped you in any way, and if it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.